Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see how a cursor will give an output with a particular prompt. Well, React application. So first we need to build a React application, right? So let me just have here is npx create. So better to have a command prompt here. So npx create React app. I want to name it as just to do app. That's simple. So I'm creating that app, installing packages and everything. So once it is installed, we'll get here. You can see already a folder is created with a package thing. So let's wait a few minutes so that other all files will got generated. So by this, the simple React application has got generated, right? So now after creating this, let me just go to here, and here in the add contest in the files and folders, I just give the to do app. So like this you can specify the files, right? Right? You can add those things. So now no more node models has came here. So what I can write here is the prompt which I want to create this app. Like that we can write here in the new chat. So let's wait a few minutes so that my React application will got generated. So now we are template dependencies using npm. So before this, you make sure that you have node and npm running in your system, otherwise it will throw you error creating these things. You can just go to Google and just download those things. So now it's done. It's suggesting us to do, now we are in the parent folder, right? Just go to do app. In that you have to just run this application. This is purely a React application. So it will open up you in 3000 window. So localhost, it's a React application, nothing specific related to app here. So now I want to change this React application into a to do app by using cursor. So I'm not adding manually anything into any files in the src folder or anything. I'm just writing a simple prompt, create a simple to do app using React. It allows users to add, delete, and edit, and also mark task as complete. I want to use like function components and hooks in React. Okay, I'm just hitting on enter. So now it will modify the files so to have these features. So it's reading everything. So reading some files and then listing the things. So we have to wait few minutes because just now we have given, right? So once it will scan everything and understand what is in the what needs to be done. So it will take a little bit of time in compared to first prompt. It will take time, right? So now, yeah, you can see it's already changed app.js thing. So it will alter the required files, and unused ones, unnecessary ones, it will keep alive, avoid it. So now it's have already changes. You can accept each individual file, or you can directly accept all. So once you accept it, so that's it. So now here is the output. You can see, as you can see in app.js, the main coding functionality is there. Here they have used like in the HTML, you can see plain HTML is there, H1 tags, forms on submit, input tags. So these are the plain HTML, right? HTML tags. And you can also see it uses the use state. So as I said, functional components, logic, and hooks I asked it to use. So that is there here. So this is a simple prompt. It has generated this application, but uh, it's missing a few things that I would prefer in a real world app. So that thing like material UI, those things. So let me just see this app how it will look like. Just refresh this. So now you can see the to do app is developed by Cursor now with the single prompt. So React app to do app is now generated. It will hardly take a for a manual purpose, it will take hardly 30 minutes to do all the editing tasks, those things. But here with a simple thing it has done. Let me just add like cooking is a to do thing. Here just clicking on add, it I have added here. So edit functionality is also working. Cooking recipes, like that. So let me just save. So save is working, and then delete is also working. So add new task. So new task, So I like this. You can add this is a simple to do app. So nothing more. It's a simple one, not having any material UI kind of thing or redux things and anything. So now